What is your favorite color? Why do you like it? My favorite color is blue because the sky is blue. What do you eat for lunch? My lunch have rice, meat, and vegetable. What do you do after school? I will go to learn English. What animals do you like? Why? My favorite animal is sea turtle because it is cute. What do you what game do you play with your friends? I will play Roblox with my friend. What do you do on Saturday or Sunday? I will go to play tennis on Saturday. What do you wear when it is cold? I will wear the coat when it is cold. What do you do in the morning? I will eat breakfast in the morning. What things do you have in your school bag? My school bag have many books. What do you like to do at home? I like to play iPad in my home. Now, here is a question for you. Are you a boy?